Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, how the narcissist handles you abandoning them. You already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. They were expecting you to stay broken, to continue dealing with the abuse, to keep on feeling abandoned, isolated, and never have the fucking audacity to walk your ass away. And you know why, right? Because for so long we keep our heart open for their potential. For so long we're afraid of what might happen, what they could do to us, themselves, the kids, extended family, that we shy away from making a decision, prioritizing the one person you have a lifelong commitment to. The one person who ain't been loved right, treated with grace or forgiveness, and is in heavy need of change from this chaotic ass environment that not only feels like a place you're being held hostage, but also keeps you from feeling your own potential. And I'm not just talking about your personal life. I'm talking about your hobbies, your career, your business, your health, and your wellness. See, we sometimes take for granted how much being in a relationship, specifically a narcissistic or toxic ass relationship, can change us for the worse. It doesn't mean you are not a good person with a kind heart who has empathy for others. To the contrary, it makes us over-explain, overdo, over-love on motherfuckers who have not earned that type of special ass place in our heart and in our lives. So when you finally make the decision to abandon a narcissist, not only are they expecting this shit to be short term, they expect you to come back apologizing, expect continuous access to you in case they need something from you. You know, on some it's an emergency or a I need you type shit. But the truth is, shutting off the supply isn't just about the access that they used to have. Nah, it's them finding out that the new supply ain't what they thought that it was gonna be. Them plans that they had, boredom with playing their part, all become side projects and just for shits and giggles. But they see you healing, moving on, making changes in your career or business, and see if they can do the one thing they always used to do. You know, fuck shit up in your life. That's the impulse that they live with. And I want you to consider just how dangerous it is to have been with someone who wasn't just committed to misunderstanding, manipulating, emotionally abusing you every single day, but someone who is this impulsive fucking monster, as to know how much they've already wrecked part of your life, financial situation, overall peace, to now come back months or years later and then try to pull this shit all over again? You want to talk about a diabolical ass person who can crash out at any moment, and this is the person you used to sleep next to at night? Shit. But now that you got out and you start living your life and getting it in order again, learn your damn lesson and don't ever go back to what fucking broke you. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.